Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing so well. So guys, today we'll be doing comparison video. So this product that I'm going to be comparing today, I've already used both of them on my channel, so the videos are already on my channel. So this is Blue Magic leave-in ink conditioner with olive oil and the super grow strong hair grease. So this is cantu hair pomade and the cantu leave-in ink conditioner. So I want to compare these two products together on my hair to see the one that is going to really keep your hair moisturized and the one that is not going to keep your hair moisturized. So I've already sectioned my hair. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys. So if you are here for the first time, thank you for being here. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before the end, and I will really appreciate if you turn on your post notification so that the next time I post a video you will be the first to know. To my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. Hope your bell is on so that you will not miss out any of my videos. So first of all, I'm going to add water to my hair. So I'm going to add water to my hair because water is first moisturizer that you need to put to your hair before you start using any product that you want to use. So I've already washed my hair. Time for me to style my hair, moisturize, so to stay throughout the week. So you know this cantu have this different type. This one is the one for grow strong, grow strong strengthening treatment. So that is the price. Like when I make videos, some people always ask me, how much did you buy the product, how much did you buy it, where did you buy it, and all those. That's why I'm showing you the price, because different store with different price, so you cannot really predict that the amount I bought it here is the amount you're going to buy it in other stores. So that is it. So I'm using the leave-in ink conditioner today, not the grow strong strengthening treatment. So because the Blue Magic, I'm using the leave-in ink conditioner, that's why I also want to use the cantu leave-in ink conditioner. So I think I took too much of that cantu product. That is how heavy handed I can be sometimes. So I have to just rub it on my hair so that I will not waste that the product. So I've already added the hair grease, which is the hair pomade, to my hair and the leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to twist everything. I'm just going to twist. As you can see, the product is still too much, but there's no problem, it will dry up very soon. So I'm just going to twist that part and then I will move to the next part. So guys, if you have used I know most of you have already used the leave-in ink conditioner, the cantu leave-in ink conditioner, which is so moisturizing, guys. This product is so nice and they are really affordable, guys. You know, there are some affordable products that really work so well on our hair, but we just overlook it and be buying expensive hair products. You don't really need to break your bank account before you can take care of your hair. You know, with little products you know that work for you, just keep using it and you will see your hair will be so nice and beautiful. You don't really need to spend too much buying expensive product like 20 euro, 30 euro to make your hair look good. No, you don't really need that. So that's why some people are scared to be natural. They think that taking care of natural hair is so expensive, guys. When you want to be expensive, you can go expensive, or when you want to do your hair on budget, you can also do it on budget. So on budget, that is all about my channel, how to take care of your hair. with little product, like small money product, and your hair will still be flourishing. Like if you don't like my hair, you can say that in the comment section and say your hair is not flourishing, the product that you are using is not good for your hair. Go and buy expensive product. You don't really need to waste money buying expensive product when you have other things to do with money. Unless you don't have other things to do with money, that's why you will be buying 1 million products that will not even do anything for your hair. So I'm just going to twist this cantu side, apply the product, then I will twist just like you see me doing it. So that is it for this cantu. The product is really nice and it also smells so good. That is so one thing I love about cantu hair product. They kind of have the same smell to all their product, the same scent, which is good. Which is good. I like it. So I'm done twisting this side of cantu, as you can see, but the rest I'm going to twist the other side of cantu off camera. I just want to do this on camera for you guys to see. So I'm done twisting. That is how the cantu side is looking like now. So I'm just going to move over to the blue magic side. So I'm just going to move over to the blue magic side. So this is the blue magic side. So I'm using the olive oil leave-in conditioner, non greasing formula. So this is super light. It's lighter than the cantu leave-in conditioner. As you can see, it's so light. And it's also moisturizing, guys, and a little goes a long way also. So I'm just going to apply water before I will apply the product to my hair. So if you have used this product before and you like it, just leave your comment at the comment section below. And if you have not yet tried it, just give it a try. You are going to really like the product because it's so good, and it also keep your hair moisturized. If you feel that your hair is not moisturizing, or you can moisturize your hair during the week, there's no problem about that. So there's no problem about that, doing midweek moisturizing. So I'm just going to add the grow strong I'm going to add the super short grow hair grease to that. So that is what I just did. Then I will just comb it through, then I will twist my hair just like so. Just simple twist, guys, because this is going to be a twister, because I will be coming back to show you guys the side that moisturized my hair the most and the side that did not really moisturize my hair. So we are going to find out that later. So I'm just going to continue to use the blue magic on my hair, then we will be back when I am done. So guys, I am done twisting the both side of my hair. So this is the side from cantu, so the other side is the side for blue magic. So now I'll just allow my hair to dry, then we'll be back the next day, or the day 3 days or 4 days, 5 days after. So guys, this is the next day now. My hair is dry, so we are just going to this is the moment of truth. So the side for the cantu and the side for the blue magic. So we are just going to unravel and see how far and see how far the day, how the day. So guys, I'm just going to put some oil on my hand. This is my DIY flaxseed oil. So the video is already on my channel, so I have a playlist on DIY, so just go to that playlist. You are going to see everything about DIY there. If you're also looking for hair grease products review, I also have playlist on hair grease. You just go to my playlist and watch it, and you are going to see everything about hair grease there. So I've already unraveled the side for Blue Magic. This is how shiny, defined and moisturized this Blue Magic side look like. As you can see, the coils are there, the shine, everything. So look, everything looks so beautiful and nice. So I'm just going to just unravel everything. So you can see, so feels so nice and also defined. The coils is so beautiful, that which I love so much. So now we are going to move over to the cantu side, and the cantu side is also doing so well. The coils is also good, and the shine is also there, as you can see, and it also feels so moisturized, which is so good. So I'm just going to continue to unravel this now. So guys, to give the definition, I think the both side, when you can see for yourself, this is the side from the cantu. You can see how defined and fluffy the coils look, and this is the side from the Blue Magic hair grease. So hair grease and the leave-in conditioner, so you can also see how fluffy and defined the coils also look. So if you see any difference, you can leave your comment at the comment section below. So I'm just going to separate this time. So if you want, you can leave your hair like this, there's no problem. If you want your hair to be fuller, bigger, fluffy, bubble, so you have to separate it. So I'm just going to separate the side from cantu, Blue Magic side, sorry. So this is the Blue Magic side. I'm just going to separate the side from cantu also, to see how moisturized, fluffy and shine my hair is looking like. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to give me thumbs up, oh. Give me thumbs up, oh. Subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. So this is how my hair is looking like now, so moisturized. Like the both side really did well at moisturizing my hair, defending my coil, both shine and everything. The both side did so well. So the both side win this competition. So this is the side for the Blue Magic hair grease. So as you can see, and this is the other side for the cantu leave-in conditioner and hair grease pomade. So what do you guys think? Do you see any difference, anything like definition different, or moisturizing different, or moisture different, what they call it? So this is how my hair is looking like now. I really enjoy using this. I really enjoy making this comparison video to kind of show you guys how the both products look on my hair. So this is how my hair is looking like. I'm just trying to do some kind of things there, I don't know. Just trying to fluff it out, use my hand. So you can use a picking comb if you have. So if you don't have, use your hand, okay? It's not everything that you use picking. Sometimes your hand can do magic also. So this is the back side of my hair. Everything looks so good and beautifully made by God. So guys, the product that you think that they might not work for your hair, they are the one that will really work for your hair the most, and the one that you have high hope for might not even do anything for your hair. Just try to kind of use some kind of cheap product, because there's a lot of cheap products out there that can really do magic on your hair. Like this is so good, guys. So this is going to be the end of today's video. If you love this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe. You can share with your friends and your family. You can share with your brother, Tell your brother to share to his girlfriend. Tell his girlfriend to share to her girlfriend. so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you. See you all in my next one. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed.